For the people of West Hartford, the Ron Foley Foundation has been a staple in the community for more than a decade. This week, an annual event is kicking off. It is near and dear to the hearts of so many. Joining us is the president of the West Hartford Center Business Association, Kimberly Mostert, and the president of the Ron Foley Foundation, Barbara Foley. Thank you both for being with us. I super appreciate your time and coming on.
Thank you so much for having us.
Now, first, let's talk about the event. Talk about how it works. We have a copy of the card, the We Care card, and we have a close-up picture of it as well we can pop up.
It's a great event, the We Care card, and basically people buy the card for $50, and the $50 goes to the Ron Foley Foundation, and then with the card they get 20% off at all the participating businesses for 10 days. So you can use the card over and over and over.
Right, there's no limit to how many times you
Exactly.
can use it. Talk about some of the businesses that are involved with this.
Oh, so many, and we've been doing it for 5 years, and we've had some new businesses add on, but for example, Fleet Feet, Sight, Central Optica, Daswani, Kimberly Boutique, Kimberly
Obviously,
Gift,
that's
right.
your business.
BK and Company, Zephyr's Pizza is doing it this year.
Oh, wow.
Sophia's Coffee, Code Rugs, the Toy Chest, Lux Bond. I mean, there's
Yeah.
It
there's
is
so
fantastic.
many. Cook Shop.
You knocked it out of the park this year.
Right, pretty much every business is
Yeah.
for Center Framing, Philip David. I don't want to get in trouble now.
Harmony, did you mention?
Yes, Harmony Jewelers.
Right. I think you hit them all. 10,000 Villages,
Jay McLaughlin.
Sock Stars. Yeah, I mean, pretty much everywhere in West
Yeah, pretty
Hartford
much.
Center, which is
Yes.
incredible. And it's not hard to get the support for Ron Foley Foundation. And Barbara, just talk about that a little bit more. I mean, there are so many great events, and so many people are
Thank
just so
you.
drawn to the foundation.
Thank you. Well, I can't tell you how honored we are to be acknowledged by the West Hartford Center Business Association in November, which is Pancreatic Cancer Awareness Month. Pancreatic cancer is an extremely difficult disease to diagnose and to cure. So we want people to know their risks and their symptoms. That is very important to us. If you go into West Hartford Center, you'll see our purple banners, which I'm very proud of. They've been up for years. The West Hartford Center community is so supportive. But I do want to just say briefly for people that don't know the organization that I founded it in 2010 in memory of my husband, Ron, who passed away from pancreatic cancer. He was just 3 days short of his 60th birthday. And we work really hard throughout the year, our amazing volunteers and our incredible staff, putting on events to raise funds for pancreatic cancer medical research, to provide pancreatic cancer patients with funds to get through their treatments, to help them alleviate some of the pain, and to raise awareness of this deadly disease.
And you mentioned there are events happening all throughout the year.
Yes, yeah. Our Keystone event is Ron's Run for the
Run
Roses
for the
in
Roses.
May. I mean,
Yeah,
my
that's a
goodness, it's
really
not
fun
Kentucky
one.
Derby Day without a Ron's Run for the Roses. Yes,
right.
yes. But also in November, we, in addition to having the banners in the center, we have host a vigil on November 17th, Pancreatic Cancer Awareness Day, which is at Memorial Park, and it's so touching. People come to remember their loved ones or to honor people that they know that are battling pancreatic cancer. It's just beautiful. And then also we are participating we're a recipient of Battle of the Bars competition. Many West Hartford Center restaurants are involved in participating, and also restaurants throughout the state, so we're very excited about that. If anybody needs any more information, they can visit ronsrun.org or call us at 860-521-0500.
Great. And Kimberly, as a business owner in West Hartford Center, it really has to mean a lot that you're able to support such an incredible foundation like Ron Foley's.
Oh, we're so excited to work with them. We have been looking forward to working with them actually for quite a while, and her group of volunteers are over the top helping us out and making it an easier program actually to run, so that's exciting.
And you've always been so supportive. The West Hartford Center has always been so supportive. We couldn't be in a
We're
better
lucky. We're both really lucky.
Yes, we
to
are.
be part of a great community.
Now, before we go, remind everyone where they can get the cards and also how much they are.
It's $50 donation for the card, and you can get it online at Ron's on Ron's website, which is
ronsrun.org.
But you could also get it at many stores in the center. My
Locations
store,
in West Hartford
we'll
Center.
all have posters up on Thursday, so almost every store accepting the card is also selling the card.
Yeah, and it is incredible. You get the one card and you can use it in pretty much every
Right. Start your holiday
business.
shopping
Yes.
early and make it
Great
happen.
idea.
I always
Yeah.
do.
Yeah, and who doesn't want to have a night out on a Saturday night? Have some dinner.
That's
Enjoy.
true.
Ladies, thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you for having us.
We really do
Thank you.
appreciate it.